Hello everyone. Good morning all of you. Welcome to you all in today's fourth online session of chapter number 7. And the name of chapter number 7 is Jugs and Mugs. Now today we are going to see some more sums of liter and milliliter. Let us see. First we have to do the addition. We have to add 87 liter, 155 milliliter and 126 liter and 235 milliliter. So whenever you have to do the addition of liter and milliliter, what you have to do? You have to write down one side liter and milliliter. After that, in liters column you have to write down the liter. So your liter is 87 and your milliliter is 155. Now in that you have to add another liter in milliliter, that is the 126 liter. You have to write down in liter column and 235 you have to write down in milliliter column. Now do the addition from the right hand side. So 5 plus 5 0, 1 carry, then 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9, then 1 plus 2 3. Then after in liter column 7 plus 6 13, so 3 and 1 carry, then do the addition of 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 2 11, again 1 carry and 1 plus 1 2. So we can say that 213 liter and 390 milliliter, that is the answer. Let us see one another addition. Here we have to do the addition of 345 liter, 550 milliliter and 187 liter and 250 milliliter. So again you have to write down one side liter and milliliter. In liters column write down 345 liter. In meters you have to write down 550 milliliter. In that you have to add 187 liter and 250 milliliter. Now do the addition from the right hand side. 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 5 10, so 0 and 1 carry, then 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8, so 800 milliliter. Now in liter 5 plus 7 12, so 2 and 1 carry, then 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 1 13, 3 and again 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4 and 4 plus 1 5. So we can say that the addition is 532 liter and 800 milliliter. Now let us see the subtraction. In this you have to do the subtraction of liter and milliliter. But before that, please remember that thing. Whenever you have to do the subtraction, so the amount which written after from, that you have to write down first. So here again we have to write down one side liter and milliliter. Now in your question is like that, 15 liter 250 milliliter from 20 liter and 400 milliliter. So you have to write down first 20 liter and 400 milliliter. From this you have to subtract minus 15 liter 250 milliliter. Now here 0 minus 0 0, then 0 plus 5 not possible, so we have to borrow from 4. So 4 becomes 3 and 0 becomes 10. So 10 minus 5 5 and 3 minus 2 1. Now again in the liter 0 minus 5 it is not possible, so we have to borrow from 2. So 2 becomes 1 and 0 becomes 10. Now 10 minus 5, 5 and 1 minus 1, 0. So your answer is 5 liter and 150 milliliter. Now let us see another subtraction. Here in this you have to do the subtraction of 75 liter 150 milliliter from 223 liter and 500 milliliter. Again write down liter and milliliter. After whatever to write down, that you have to write down first. So you have to write down 223 liter and 500 milliliter minus 75 liter and 150 milliliter. Now do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. Then 0 minus 5. Is it possible? Not possible. So what you have to do? You have to borrow from 5. So 5 becomes 4 and 0 becomes 10. Now again just see in liters column. 3 minus 5, it is not possible. So we have to borrow from 2. So 2 becomes 1 and 3 becomes 13. Now you can see again 1 minus 7, it is not possible. So again we have to borrow from 2. So 2 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 11. Now do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 1, 3. 13 minus 5, 8. 11 minus 7, 4. And 1 minus 0, 1. So your answer is 148 liter and 350 milliliter. Now let us see one word problem. A bottle contains 300 milliliter of Pepsi. In a one bottle, how many milliliters are there? 300 milliliters are there. So from that, how many bottles will be required for 24 liters of Pepsi? In this, you have to find out number of bottles. But first of all, we have to convert these 24 liters into milliliter. So we know that 1 liter is equal to 100 milliliter. So 24 liter is equal to question mark. So we can say 24 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 24,000 milliliter. That is the answer of conversion. Now we have to find out number of bottles. So how we can find out the number of bottles? For that you have to do the division. Whose division? You have to do the division total quantity, means they were given the total quantity divided by quantity of one bottle, or in another word we can say that the total quantity means the larger quantity you have to write down and then divided by that larger quantity divided by small quantity. So here who is the larger? 24,000. So do the division. 24,000 milliliter divided by 300 milliliter. This 300 milliliter, that is the quantity of one bottle. Now do the division. 24,000 divided by 300 is equal to 80 bottles. Therefore we can say that 80 bottles are required to fill 24 liters of Pepsi. I hope you all understand these all things very easily. So do more and more practice.